Okay, good day, guys. Good day to you all. Welcome back again to the Formula Sports channel. Welcome back. Today we're talking young reggae boy Tyreek Magee. Now, I'm not showing the footage of Tyreek Magee's performance in the video for obvious reasons. Seeing, don't want to get my channel in a problem. But what you guys can do is click on the title and go to the description of the video. There is a link in the description of the video where you guys can go and watch the entirety of Tyreek Magee's 20-minute performance in the opening game of the Belgian Pro League season. So just click on the title of the video. When you do that, it takes you to the description. You will see the link to the entire footage of Magee's performance. So don't want to show it, don't want to get my channel in problem. Seen? So guys, quickly we're talking about Tyreek Magee. This video is a bit late. It's a couple of days late, to be honest with you, because of technical difficulties, but I still persevere to try and get it out because I think it is an important game for the career of the young maestro Tyreek Magee. Is a player that I think has an important part to play in the Reggae Boyz setup going forward for the next World Cup qualifying campaign, and he's in a situation where he kind of needs to get his career off the ground. Or his club career rather. So you see the stats on your screen. Tyreek Magee made a run out for KAS Eupen against Boza, Shamar Nicholson's former team, Charleroi. Charleroi won the game 3-1, deservedly so. And Tyreek Magee would have came on in the 74th minute. Came on in the 74th minute, immediately went to the right flank. So for most of his time on the pitch, he would have played as a right winger. In the latter stages of the game, he moved more central and was an attacking midfielder. It was about 20 minutes. The run out was about 20 minutes because when you add the 5 minutes of extra time, it would have added up rather to about 20 minutes. So he got a good run out, and you're seeing his personal stats on the screen. The 60 minutes would be the regular time plus the 5 minutes additional time. You saw he got 15 touches, 11 attempted passes. He is successful, 73% passing accuracy. What stands out to me is the ground duels. 2 ground duels attempted, both of them successful. Magee in this particular game would have showed good energy, good movement on both sides of the ball, which is something that I was very keenly looking out for. His movement on both sides of the ball has been an issue for me personally. He did look as if he could have gotten a bit more up to speed with the game, but of course, you know that Magee hasn't played a lot of game time in quite some time and hasn't featured a lot in the Belgian Pro League. So getting up to the speed of the Belgian Pro League will take him a little time, but he certainly wasn't far off it, right? And he had a decent performance. Just one and two plays where he looked to have been at just a little bit of fraction off the pace. But certainly showed the technical ability to be able to get up to speed relatively quickly. By the way, more of say this quick and fast. Magee had no red. The team that Magee played, Charleroi, they got no red cards in this game. Last time we do a similar video like this, people beat me because I forgot to mention that the opposition team had got red cards. It was an honest mistake, but this time around, no red cards, guys. No red cards. So yeah, I think he did good defensive work in this game too. And the couple of occasions where he was called to step up and do defensive work, he did do that and did do that relatively well. A bit unlucky with the third goal when he came on. The game was 2-0 shortly after. Eupen, his team pulled one back, and then Charleroi got the winner in the dying moments of the game. He was heavily involved in Eupen or Eupen, however you pronounce it, conceding the goal. But to be fair to him, he was a bit unlucky on that particular play. I don't think he could have done much about it. When you guys see the video footage, you guys can tell me if you interpret it the same way. But it's a good look in preseason. He has been heavily involved in preseason, a lot of game time in preseason, and for him to get a 20-minute run out in the first game of the season, this is great signs of things to come. It's a new manager at Eupen. It's about the third managerial change, if I'm not mistaken, has taken place at the club since Magee has gone there. So hopefully his playing style will be better suited to this manager's playing style. So guys, knock up the like button, subscribe to the channel, and also share the video as well. Again, the link to Tyreek Magee's performance, the video footage of Tyreek Magee's performance, for those who would have missed it, it is in the description. Click on the title, you guys will see the link. Click on the link and go watch Tyreek Magee's performance, and let me know what you think about how the young player did. A very important game for him, so hopefully he would have done well and impressed enough to be able to play a major role in Eupen's or Eupen's upcoming season. So ladies and gentlemen, that's my 2 cents. Knock up like button, subscribe to the channel, share the video as well. Free and easy ways to support the channel. Take care, stay safe, and until next time.